Panky. Created by Ada Coleman, one of the first female bartenders in London. If you're a rye and bourbon drinker and a Manhattan lover, this is the way to go if you're looking to change things up. This is one of my favorite cold weather cocktails, perfect for the fall or winter. To make the Hanky Panky at home, here's what you'll need. A good quality gin, some Fernet, which is an Italian herbaceous liqueur, some sweet vermouth, and an orange twist for garnish. We'll start off by grabbing a mixing glass and adding Fernet-Branca, about 2 dashes or a bar spoon. Next we'll add our sweet vermouth, about 1.5 ounces. Then we'll finish our ingredients with 1.5 ounces of gin. Today we're using number 3. Next we'll add our ice and give that a good stir. After that's cold, we'll strain that into a chilled cocktail glass. Today we're using a coupe. We'll finish that all off with an orange twist, making sure we express all the oils. And that's the Hanky Panky, a great cold weather drink.